Suni Lee's being made an honorary firefighter. We're staging at an unknown location before her parade. All right, Chief, go ahead and give her this. Hold on.
And we'll put this in our car so you don't have to carry it with you. This is super heavy, but this is saying.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there's. Yep. Tell me how you want it. Oh, you want this way? This way or this way? I don't know.
Go help her, Cheyenne. Well, we're about to have the Suni Lee parade. There we go. She's gonna do her own selfie. Suni, show us that gold medal there. Oh, there. That's a heavy thing. There we go. Awesome, awesome. This is some of her security detail here.
Okay, so the captain and the driver are going to give you your instructions on how you're going to get in and just a few little safety precautions and how the whole thing is going to work. So
you guys go up there.
Good to see you as well. Would you want to go over there? That's pretty good.
Not yet.
So Suni's going to ride in the bucket of Ladder 8's fire truck. Oh, there's the mayor. Mayor Carter joined us here.
How are you? Does Suni know that your daughter?
Yes.
You're the best, Suni. You're the best. You're the best. So we're here just before the parade starts. Firefighters from the St. Paul Fire Department, Ladder 8, are equipping them. Hey Tate, how high does this bucket go? 100-foot aerial. You're not going that high soon.
Can we get a with the St. Paul guys?
Yeah, of course. Hey, Suni, while you're waiting, can we get a picture with the St. Paul officers? And maybe one with the Ramsey County one, too. There we go, right there. Hey, Chinu, get your camera ready, will you?
Most importantly, congratulations.
Yeah. Awesome. Super. Camera there's Chinu. For you and I and her. There we go. Well, I think I got 1 million of them, Troy. I think I got them. I turned it off.
Like, turn it off on the St. Paul guys?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Got it.
All right. That's Chanu's. Thank you, Murph. Appreciate it. There, Chanu.
We'll get them harnessed up as soon as we're ready to go.
This yours?
Nope, that's me.
I think we're ready.
Yeah, let's go.
I think we're ready.
All right. You ready, Mom?
Yeah, I'm ready.
The parade starts about 3, maybe just a few minutes late.
One of my guys coming with the
Good luck out there.
we'll flip them over to see how it goes. And then I have an elephant.
You could probably just vault in there, huh? Just vault right in there.
Do a backflip.
Backflip. So here's the bucket they're gonna ride in. Goes up to 100 feet. Firefighters use this to fight fires. Plenty high.
Falling behind them, and then I just
The sheriff, Troy, and I'll get back. No, we're gonna go 4 guys. So yeah, we'll 4 across. The mayor, who's the escort up?
There they go.
The fire wreck, there's no other family, there's no other. Okay. Awesome. As soon as they get back.
What'd you say? Yeah.
Then we're gonna drive back. Are you guys real quick? I'll let Colt know when he needs to go up. I told Jordan he's gonna.
Are you what?
Sure. Copy.
Getting strapped in. It's like training, right? It's like training.
Oh, look at that good photo for Frank.
Hey, Chief, you think before you settle it on top of the cab, we can put it up a little higher just for fun, so they can maybe like 25 feet? Let's go up a little bit before you set it back in there.
Eventually they can see the whole route. Do you think it's looking
Well, we don't want to hit power lines.
Sunni a little bit? Oh, there's no power lines.
That would be nice, actually.
Sunni, is there a place we can set this where you can stand on the elevator?
Oh, you know, these, hey guys, these come down, right? I mean, so we can see their metal. So, yep.
The metal to kind of
Yeah, we want
sit
to.
up on top of that radar a little.
Once that lowers, we'll be able to see your metal.
As long as you they, yeah, that's
That crowd's going to want to see your metal. That one looks. Well, put it in there. You don't have to use it. Hey, by the way, we all want you to know, goes to all of us. Thanks for representing our country like you do. You're just the greatest ambassador ever, such a kind person. And thank you. And hey, this is the county board chair, Suni, right here. This is Tony Carter. That's the mayor's mother. She came out to greet you as well.
And then how big are the flags?
That size.
Learning a little bit from my sister.
I don't know, Mayor. Do you do any gymnastics at all? I mean,
I did as a kid.
You did. Okay. I know you're awesome at piano and hockey. That's the 2 hockey and piano I've seen.
Used to be able to do
Well, wait till you're my age.
Cheyenne, you look nervous.
That's better, but it's probably up very high. I like it. You won't fall out, will you? Hey, Suni, how's your balance up there? You go. There, County Chair Tony Carter and the Mayor greeting Suni.
All right, Amila, you ready? You're with the gold medal. Oh, good job, Amila. That's a gold medal performance right there.
There we go, there we go, there we go. Up, up, and away.
Yes, I told him I want him in there anytime the bug is moving. Thanks all.
And then
It's good.
Thank
Good.
you.
Yeah, no, I'm glad you made it.
so he's gonna be there with them.
I'll put them when they're driving. Once it's vetted and they're driving, I'll bring it down.
Have fun.
There we go. Woo!
Are you gonna go give them a view? Perfect.
All right, we are live at the kickoff for Suni Lee Parade. We're not actually at the start of the parade, but Suni's getting on the St. Paul fire ladder. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's her sister Cheyenne with her. Cheyenne's going to the University of Minnesota at Duluth here soon. And her mom. Her dad is not here. Her dad is going to be at Aldrich Arena and join them. We're about a half mile away from the start of the parade. Parade will start at White Bear in Arlington. If you haven't come out yet, go to White Bear in Arlington, and it's going northbound on White Bear. That is a high ladder. Check that out. How'd you like to be up 100 feet on that ladder? Thank you to the St. Paul Fire Department for making this happen. That's pretty cool. There's a helicopter covering the parade in the background. And they're coming back down now. No luck with the flags?
No, we got flags here,
Oh,
but
he said you
yeah, Frank is still gonna
put him on the back? Very good, very
They
good.
can't hang him on the side there. But
No, but he can zip tie him to that back rail up there.
yeah, he has some more flags and he's gonna put them on there. All
right.
More along the ladder.
The Burt team is here.
Oh yeah, we're here.
Yeah, yes. Nice job, nice job. Looking good, gentlemen. Gold medal, silver medal, bronze medal. I don't know if anybody's watching. John Lee, sometimes you watch. You see your daughters. John Lee, you're an amazing man. What you've done raising those daughters. We still gonna lower the rail?
Yeah.
All right, so Chanu. Check with him on those flags before we go, because we're going to get out of here pretty quick. We got to move pretty quick.
Sounds good. Handrails are sliding down. Outriggers are coming in.
Good, good, good. So tell us about this rig. I know it's one of your finest rigs. What's it capable of doing?
It's got a 105-foot aerial
Yep.
on it. It's got a 1,000-gallon-a-minute pumper.
1,000 gallons a minute?
Yep. Yep. Carries 4 firefighters and all the equipment we need for auto extrication,
Yep.
forcible entry, ventilation, search and rescue. Yeah, it's a pretty good rig for us.
It's good. It's awesome. Thank you, Chief.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot. Thanks for making it happen.
Absolutely. Glad to do it.
All right, so we're gonna sign off here in a minute and go to the start of the parade. We following them?
Follow a couple bikes.
Well, tell me who to follow. I'm good.
Yeah, we're gonna just a couple more minutes, but I can lead them up to their spot with the bikes.
Okay,
We'll go nice and slow.
perfect.
We're dealing with a drone issue right now.
That looks good. At least we got one in the back. Like it. Thank you. We're good. Thank you, thank you. Frank, thanks. All right. Hey, Chinu, who's the follow car?
So there'll be me and Trevor in this squad in the front, and then it'll be Ralphie in the back.
So Ralph,
So-
Ralph, I'm going to join him and Troy in the
Yeah,
back.
they have a spot for you to turn
Yeah.
there, but okay.
Just to keep the people from coming up. Yep, we'll secure the back. Thank you to Chief Butch Inkst, St. Paul Fire Department, for making this happen. Ready to roll? Thank you, thank you. All right, you ready, ladies? You got your parade wave down? So cute. That's her mom and her sister. And her gold medal. All right, we will be back when the parade starts.